So how practical is the Tesla Model 3 for day-to-day life, and specifically the boot space being a saloon? So the sun's come out in the UK for a few days, and inevitably that means I've been deployed to the local garden centre by my wife. So I'm going to really try and test the capacity and real-world practicality of this Tesla Model 3, which is a saloon, and we'll see how much I can get in here. So the boot space on a Model 3 is actually deceptively quite big. They're very deep, and you also have the boot well to store extra additional stuff as well. But the obvious issue is being a saloon is the opening size, unlike the hatchback of the Model Y. Obviously you have the frunk as well, which you can store lots of bits and pieces in, like charging cables, first aid kits and so forth. So most YouTubers I know use the suitcase test, whereas I'm going for a different approach, which is the compost test of how much I can get in a boot of a Tesla Model 3. So let's go for it then, see how many we can get in. So yeah, this boot swallowed 6 bags of compost quite easily, and then your room probably get another couple in there as well. And then you still got room here for a bit of shopping later. Or some plants. Oh God, no, not plants. So there you have it. As you can see, this Tesla Model 3 has swallowed the 6 bags of compost, and this will forever be known as the Tesla Model 3 Compost Challenge. So if you like this sort of content, then please feel free to give this video a like and a subscribe. It'd be really helpful to help this channel. And if you also like this sort of content, then you might like this video over here that YouTube is recommending for you. Until next time, thank you for watching, and catch you in the next one.